boys and girls, Miss Dawson here. Today we are going to talk about solving multi-step word problems, and we are going to do this using the CUBES strategy. CUBES is just an acronym to help you remember each of these steps. So it starts out with the C, which is circle important numbers. So if we look at our word problem here, we're going to read through it and we are going to circle the important numbers. Allie ran 9 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. If she did this for 7 days, how many minutes did she run in all? So from this word problem, I found some important numbers. I have 9 minutes, 10 minutes, and 7 days. Now, if we move on to the next part of the CUBE strategy, it says underline the question you need to answer. So what? I'm going to look here. The question is usually at the end of the word problem. It says, how many minutes did she run in all? How many minutes did she run in all? That's what we will be looking for when we're actually going to get into solving. Okay? Our next one is B, box key math words. So key math words are the words like in all, total, how many are left, what's the difference. So let's read through this and find our key math words. Allie ran 9 minutes in the morning. Those are important, but it doesn't have any math words. 10 minutes in the evening. Still important, but those aren't math words. If she did this for 7 days, how many minutes did she run in all? So I see a lot of important words, but I think the ones that I really need to focus on are in all. In all means we're looking for a total. If we're looking for a total, we're going to be doing two things. We are going to be either multiplying or adding. And in this case, I think we're going to be doing both. So let's move on to E, evaluate and eliminate any unnecessary information. So let's evaluate what we need to do. So Allie ran 9 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. If she did this for 7 days, how many minutes did she run in all? So I'm going to evaluate this. I know I have minutes and minutes. My labels are the same. And then I have days. My label is different. So when my labels are the same, you're going to add. So I'm going to put those two together. 9 and 10. These are together. Now the next part, it says for 7 days. So that's a different label. When my label is different, I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to add it on here. Times how many days? 7. Okay? Your last step in cubes is to solve. So 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10 is 19 times 7. So I need to do each of these times 7. So 9 times 7 is 63. 10 times 7 is 70. If I put them together, that's 3. 133. So I'm just going to check that this makes sense, and I'm going to solve it over here in another method. 19 times 7. I did it with the standard method, and I got the same answer. So that was solving a multi-step word problem with the CUBES strategy.